Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kynhun Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kababat yaw lakam sansyar haga jela haga jingyalang kabalalong haga arpunyo tarik unailar arjar kat kendai kala Thaw da ka Komiti kaban shim ya ka sur monlang na baro ki sengsain pertai jong ka Kynhun MDA ban sei yaw Kyrtong uban yakun ya ka shuki Lamphang jong ka Iingdorbar Thawaiñ ka jela. Menteri Rangba ka Jelau Konrad ke Sangma hakajing keren bat kilat pathai kubor ulayatu bayakane ko komiti on sakhle do sembut Menteri Rangba ka Jela uba Preston Tensong kumu convener hakabaki khot jongkane ka komiti ki kintup yo ba medba lengdo uban mikmat naga Regional Democratic Alliance ka United Progressive Front on mikmat do ba bantai dor lengdo bat naga BJP on mikmat do ba AL hek.
We have unanimously decided that number one, the election of the Speaker will be held in this coming session. Number two, we have decided to form a small core committee comprising of 4 members, where the convener of this committee will be the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Preston Tensong. The members of this committee will include from the RPA, Mr. Metba Lingdo, and from the UPF, Mr. Bantidor Lingdo, and from the BJP, Mr. A.L. Heck. This 4-member committee has been asked to come out with a consensus name, which then will be finalized on the 4th of September. At the same time, we have also decided as a MDA that we will be having a unanimous and a consensus candidate, and whatever the case may be, we will all come together and we will put up one candidate and support one candidate. Based on that decision of having consensus candidate, this committee has been formed to propose and bring out a name. Apart from that, we are very happy also today to welcome Mr. Edelbert Nongrum to the MDA. He has supported and joined the UPF coalition, the UPF alliance that they have formed, and which means the formal induction into the MDA, and it's increased the strength of the MDA from 39 to 40 now. And I take this opportunity to welcome him to the MDA. We are a coalition, and we have to respect all the political parties and the different alliances that are there. And it's not fair on any one of us to simply be, just taken for granted. So I think in the spirit of ensuring that, we respect the identity of each political party and the alliances, yet have the unanimity and the magnanimity to have a consensus candidate, this committee has been formed. And I'm sure that this committee, after detailed deliberation and discussion with all, will come out unanimously. As I said, we have to remember that the election to the Speaker is a post where we all have to work together. It's all the 40 members of the MDA will be voting. And I think, as I said, as a sign of respect and ensuring that everybody's identity is always respected, I think it's important that we take everybody's view. So that is what this whole exercise is about, to ensure that the unanimity remains among the party and there's a consensus and we take a decision together. BAC will take the appropriate decision regarding the exact date of the election. But it will be in this session. In a coalition, there are different political parties, and I think each party has their views, has their opinions. It's natural, you can't deny that. So therefore, what is important but that in this whole situation where we have our opinions, we have our own goals, we have our desires, we understand that ultimately what is most important for the state, what is most important for the coalition will be what we all follow. So therefore, we have our opinions, we have our concerns, but then ultimately we will be unanimous, and as MDA we will take a joint decision.